Hey Priscilla, here's an example, two of the examples where we're adding polynomials, and here's two examples where we're multiplying polynomials. So I thought we'd just run through them really quick. So essentially what you want to do first whenever you see these type of problems is simplify it down. So this 2 outside the brackets, we can easily, we first have to break this down before we add anything. So basically 2, we distribute it. So 2 gets multiplied by the 3x and the -5. So that will break down to 2 times 3x will be 6x. And then 2 by -5 is -10. And then we'll be adding that to this term here, 5x and -4. Okay, -4 and -10, do the numbers, right? That will be -14. And 5x and 6x makes 11x. Sorry if I did that kind of funny jumping around, but you see my logic. You start with, you break down anything that has to be broken down first, like anything that says it needs to be multiplied, and then you add your x's together and you add just the plain numbers together. And it's the exact same one with this, except we have 2 multiplication steps to do first. So 3 by 3x, 9x, and 3 by -5 is -15. And then the same thing over here, -2 by 3x will be -6x, and -2 by 6 makes -12. And if we're to add everything up, -6x plus 9x, it'd be 9 minus 6 basically, which just leaves you with 3x. And then -12 and -15, 2 negative numbers add together, be 3x minus 27. That's the simplified, that's how you would simplify this expression. And this is the simplification of these 2 polynomials being added together. Now we want to multiply them. Multiplying them is a little different. We use a rule called FOIL, which means FOIL is F-O-I-L. We want to multiply f first. So 2x gets multiplied by x. Then we add it to the outside terms, which is 2x and 4. They're on the outside. Then we add the inside 2 terms multiplied, I for inside. And then we add the last 2 terms multiplied. So first, outside, inside, last. So everything gets crossed. So just to run through this example, 2x times x. Well, that's 2x, and x times x is x squared. 2x squared, so that's f taken care of. Then 2x times 4. We add 2x times 4. 2 by 4 is 8. That makes 8x. That's the outside taken care of. Then inside, -5 times x. That's easy. -5x. -5 times 4. It's -20. Perfect. So x squared, we cannot add to anything, but we could add 8 and -5 to make 3. 3x minus 20. And that's as simplified as it can be. This was foiled, and this is simplified. You can't break that down any further, but that's your answer. We can do the same thing here. And so first we see this 4 outside, so we need to multiply it. So before we multiply these guys, we should distribute these. So that makes 4x, and then 4 by -2 is -8. This multiplied by x plus 2. All right, well, let's FOIL it. So 4x by x is 4x squared. That's the first. 4x by 2, that's the outside. So that's 8x. Negative 8 by x, that's easy, minus 8x. And then the last two. Negative 8 times 2, 16. Negative 16. Okay. Simplifying this, well, 4x squared, we can't do anything with that because x squareds can only be added or subtracted with x squareds. But x, positive 8 and negative 8, well, they cancel each other out completely. So that actually eliminates the x term. So they're gone. The only thing remaining is minus 16. And that's as simplified as it can be.